Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix unable to create new folder in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root, click and expand directory, click and expand background, click and expand shell ex. Right-click context menu handlers, click new key. Copy text from description and paste it. Restart Windows Explorer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.